Python. Is Python the hottest tech skill? Well, looks like it is. In this dynamic world where everything changes at a rapid rate, the popularity of Python never seems to cease. The world's tech companies love Python. Google, YouTube, Facebook, IBM, NASA, Dropbox, Yahoo, Mozilla, Quora, Instagram, Uber and Reddit are just a few of the big names that use Python for a wide range of purposes and are continuously on the lookout for Python engineers. Python, as a programming language, is easy and simple to learn. Python cuts development time in half with its simple-to-read syntax and easy compilation feature. Also, it has plenty of libraries that support data analysis, manipulation and visualization. Therefore, it has evolved as the most preferred language and considered to be the next big thing and a must for professionals. It's widely used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, and big data. With the rise of data science, Python's popularity as a scientific language has soared. There are many machine learning libraries written in Python, in addition to a great number of tools that make it easy to do machine learning. According to the Coding Game 2020 Developer Survey Report, JavaScript, Java, Python are the best-known programming languages, claimed by more than 10K of survey developers. 84% of Python developers use it as their main language. Chasse offers comprehensive training programs for Python, with placement assistance, to help keep you ahead of the curve in today's volatile job market. To get to know more on our training programs, please contact us.